Michael Valentino from Crusader Caravans in Melbourne, Victoria. Today we introduce one of our newest products that's just come under our noses. It is the Savvy Level from Savvy Level Technologies. These guys have come out with a brand new leveling device that sits underneath the caravan, under the bed. There's a few different locations. You can pretty much pick wherever it is most convenient for you. This little device here is all that is required as a Bluetooth activated system through a positive and negative 12 volt connection. This guy sits underneath the floor for most of the Crusader models that we do. We run the positive and negative to the power source and then away she goes. So the second part to this device is we operate with our Savvy Level application. The Savvy Level application, as you can see, we've got nominated left to right and degree itemization, as well as tilt front to back. What that does is it allows for complete autonomy over your caravan leveling situation. So just to give you an idea, to make it layman's terms, if we want to go up or down, it will show us the up and down motion as the little box and gyroscope in here moves and allocates that measurement coming up onto the iPhone. So for instance, when we're backing back and we have the caravan hooked up on leveling ramps, we can see that movement and you can stop bang on 0°% of the Savvy Level leveling device. The Savvy Level leveling device is a free to use, free application. The little guy here sits underneath. We get this installed at pre-delivery or handover. It comes with a heap of information in a little pack equipped with the Savvy Level Plus electronic leveling system pack. It is fully Australian made, owned and operated. These guys here, we get the unit, stick him underneath, wire him up, and then from there you have, again, complete autonomy and leveling options. There are a heap of options offered from the Savvy Level Technologies. These guys here are a really affordable option, and we hope to be able to add a few of these to the Crusader range as we progress through the builds. If you have any questions or you'd like to add this to your build, please give us a call on 9359 2938. Head to our website, www.crusadercaravansmelbourne.com.au. Head to the Savvy Level website. Alternatively, like and subscribe for the next product, and we'll see you on the other side. Thanks, guys.